This is Deputy Frog here, and we're live at the Hartford, Connecticut's very own locomotive station. As you can see right now, today we have hit a stroke of a blizzard. I'm live here with number 6012 here for the passenger train, and it's very lucky we have our own locomotive that can clear the snow. So, do you think you can even track of the blizzard? You know, it's dead simple. It's too obvious, okay? Now, if I were correctly, but for the way I've seen all the snow blizzard, this isn't happening back in my heydays for this. And to all of you in there, if you want to play outside, be careful with it. Just bring your hats and gloves and your special warm jackets. Or if you're taking a train and home for Christmas, just ride on me. Some of the other locomotives may get stuck in the snow, but all I have to say is that beware of the snow. So there you have it. If you do want to go outside, just be careful with all the blizzard trucks in there. Right now, you better stay home, stay safe, wherever you go. This is Deputy Frog, saying out.